Hello, I'm Bradley and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a passion of mine, which is all things hair care, with a particular interest around fine hair, thinning hair, and that battle against hair loss. Right now, and going forward, I am working on a playlist and putting together products which I am using right now to help in that battle against hair loss and help you and me have the best hair we possibly can have in terms of density, in terms of boosting vitality of hair, helping the hair growth cycle. And today we're going to be talking about a brand called HAIRIFICATION. Now, HAIRIFICATION is a brand which we done a review about a month ago, I understand, and I think I have been using this. I say think because I should have written it down, but I think I've been using this brand for around about 7 to 8 weeks now. Yesterday we reviewed the hair growth serum in the little bottle, which was an absolute favourite product of mine. It will certainly be something which I will use into the future, and I've seen great benefits in terms of boosting my hair resistance, that anchoring to my scalp, less hair fall. It really made my hair feel stronger, fuller, and I think it was helping me in terms of density. Being very clear and open and honest with you, I am taking supplements in the background such as saw palmetto and pumpkin seed extract, both in a capsule form. Okay, now why? Just very quickly of why I'm doing that. So saw palmetto and pumpkin seed oil is natural, are natural DHT blockers. What is DHT? So very quickly, the enzyme, okay, 5-alpha reductase, converts testosterone into diatestosterone, which is DHT abbreviated to. It is that which miniaturizes, that is the culprit which miniaturizes hair follicles, so the hair produces a much finer, thinner hair to the point where it can no longer sustain hair growth of a hair at all. Therefore, seeing in people who are predisposed to this sensitivity, such as men and women who have androgenetic alopecia, for men through the temples and in the crown area, and for a lady it may well be the overall reduce of density, the reduction of density and volume throughout hair. So saw palmetto and pumpkin seed oil, always chat to a medical professional for, so a family doctor or a pharmacist or somebody who you can check your health with, and that it's okay to supplement your health with, and that it's okay for you to do that. Please do that before if you're thinking of doing that. But for me, I manage a number of health problems, so I have a lot of appointments, so it was quite easy for me to check that I could do that. But saw palmetto and pumpkin seed oil have an absolute amazing effect on hair growth. For me, I've had huge benefits. We're going to be talking about it more as the future goes on. We've done a couple of clips about saw palmetto, and I'll be doing one very shortly on pumpkin seed oil as well. They are great supplements to supplement your lifestyle and your health and your body, of course, going forward if hair is an issue for you in terms of thinning, in terms of hair loss, in terms of androgenetic alopecia. It is a great topic to discuss and research yourself, and a really great form to get on board with to really start seeing results, hopefully. So on that note, let's move back onto the products. So I didn't want to talk about HAIRIFICATION products without me being open and honest about what I'm also doing in the background. So I've had great benefits from saw palmetto, and now for a couple of weeks with pumpkin seed oil. But HAIRIFICATION really looks after the hair outside of the scalp. It really does as well. And as I say, the hair growth serum, okay, Pure Grow hair growth serum, really had a really great effect on my hair. And I've recently just come back from a holiday in Rhodes of Greece, and I used this because very often my hair falls quite a lot in hot weather, and it is something which is a little bit bothersome, a little bit worrying sometimes, and I do find that in the back end of the summer and into the fall season my hair tends to seem to change quite a bit, and I seem to have a little bit more of an increased hair fall. So I've been using this for around about the 7-8 week mark with the shampoo conditioner. Shampoo conditioner of HAIRIFICATION, really great. I wouldn't rush, I'll be honest, to purchase them straight away again because I do have other favourites. However, I would buy them again, certainly, and the Pure Grow serum certainly would in the little bottle. I will attach that clip on the end of this clip, which you'll have for your reference after this one, and this I certainly would. So the serum's really great for the roots. This spray here, the Pure Grow Leave-In Growth Intensifying Spray, this is the second bottle I bought, and I have bought only one of the serum. Myself, I live in the family home. My mum has tried this, a brother of mine has tried this. It is really great on lengths and ends of hair. We'll talk now about the product itself. Okay, so HAIRIFICATION Pure Grow Leave-In Growth Intensifying Spray. A rock star for your roots, a super concentrated shot of energizing actives that work around the clock to nourish, energize, and revitalize. Pure Grow Complex, okay, plumps up volume, reduces hair loss. It's 150 mils in the bottle, okay. Let's tell you a little bit about it on the back here as well. Hairification, it's not sorcery, it's science. Keep the party pumping with a fat dose of hardcore leave-in actives. Use alongside Pure Grow shampoo and Pure Grow conditioner. It's the ultimate triple treatment for sad, sluggish strands. Light on hair, heavy on results. This complex is scientifically formulated to kick all your good hair goals. So directions: after double cleansing with Pure Grow shampoo followed with Pure Grow conditioner, rinse and then lightly dry hair, then spritz this intensifying spray onto the roots. Give yourself a little scalp massage, you deserve it. Style as usual, I love that cheekiness about it as well. Use daily on wet or dry hair. Warning, may cause compliments. So I've noticed that this spray really does give a lot more resistance. Again, just like the serum, it seems to really bolster that effect of the anchoring effect on hair on the scalp. It seems to make my hair feel stronger, and I do, dare I say it, feel that there is an effect that I am seeing less hair when I'm washing my hair, when I'm styling my hair. Of course, I have to bear in mind, please, open and honest, the sulfur and the pumpkin seed oil, so I can't categorically pinpoint that to this being the reason. However, I really do feel that it is, after 7 to 8 weeks, really a great product to use, and it's something I would certainly wholeheartedly recommend. I buy mine from here in the UK in Boots. It is £10.99, I think this one is. When it's on offer, I think it's a couple of pounds cheaper, and I think that's what I bought it for back along. I paid full price to it, my recent one, which I bought, and then before that I got an offer, I think for the 3 for 2 offer in Boots here in the UK. So as I say, shampoo, conditioner, really, really great. Serum, one of my favourites. This, one of my favourites. I love the fact that this has ingredients in it which really boost the vitality and energy in hair. Do you know what, some days, and again, since using the sulfur and pumpkin seed oil, I don't really have those days where my hair feels really lank, really quite thin, really quite lacking in density. I find that the sulfur, particularly after about 11 months now I've been taking it for, has really improved, particularly in my crown, really improved my density. Products such as these, which we review, I have lots on the channel, really help the scalp environment at scalp level. Okay, it's really important to look after our body inside. So for example, if you're sat there and you're thinking, okay, so I don't really have the best diet, maybe you're excessively consuming things out of moderation, please, 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 my friend, bring it back into moderation, whatever that is for you, whatever your favourite thing is. But of course, diet, you want lots of rich fruits and vegetables, all brightly coloured. You want lots of grains, lots of pulses, nuts, natural oils, all of those great things. Fish, omega-3, it's really you're gonna see a difference in your hair care. You really, really are. You're gonna see a difference in your hair growth as well. I always say great hair is the inner of great, it's the essence of great inner health for great hair. So it's so, so important. So if you're sat there thinking, I really think maybe I could improve things, do so. Take the time, give yourself grace, look after yourself, your inner core self, look after you. Your hair is going to really, really thank you for it. And then the ingredients and products on the outside, so scalp outwards, hairification, this spray, the leave-in serum, I'm going to attach that to the end of this clip as well. Really great. This pumps energy into hair, it puts character, life into hair. For me, when you get those days, and I had a couple of them whilst I was on holiday with the heat, the humidity, hair just looked really, really lank, not like the hair I wanted to have. This spray puts texture in hair, it puts life and vitality into hair as well. The ingredients, one of the things which I think I really, really love in it is the coffee arabica seed extract, caffeine. So we know that caffeine, there's a huge hype about it in hair products, particularly for people who are concerning with hair loss or thinning hair or fine hair. Of course, very, very different. Remember, even the most finest of hair for a lady can be stunningly beautiful, and the finest of hair on a guy can be really, really super cool as well. But caffeine really pumps energy into the scalp and into the hair. It puts life into hair as well. Another ingredient in here, larch European extract. It's said to awaken dormant follicles. I'm not 100% sure how I feel on that, but it is a product in here. It's got those potential actives going on in the product as well. So really, really great to have that potential in a product for just using every day. So really, really great. So you can have this. You don't have to use both the serum and the leave-in spray. You don't even have to use a shampoo conditioner. You can mix and match. A lot of my subscribers know that I do that anyway. But this is really great at putting life and energy and vitality into your hair. So in my heritage, in my family background, fine hair is pretty much the abundance of what we all have in my family. So if I go back to my dear Nan, who is my absolutely, honestly, just my whole heart, to be quite honest with you. My nan is my absolute world. And sadly, I lost my nan back in May of 21, which is absolutely heartbreaking. And even though she's no longer with me, she is up above with the good Lord and she's with me always. But I used to, my nan had Alzheimer's, and with my mum and me, I grew up in the love of the most incredible parents and my dear nan. So for me, I always felt that I had three parents. And when my nan grew ill, it was so important that I had to stand by her throughout her whole illness. And throughout that, sometimes it would mean that I'd have the absolute pleasure and blessing of helping her with her hair care. My mum would colour my nan's hair just as my nan always did. And my nan, honestly, an absolute film star. When somebody walked in the room, you'd think it was a film star, and very much with my mum as well. I'm so proud of my parents and my dear nan, I really, really am. My mum and dad are best friends to me, and so is my dear nan. And even though she's not here, she's always with me, as I say. Now, in our family, we had fine hair, or have fine hair. Nan had fine hair, but lots and lots of it. Mum, fine hair, lots and lots of it. Me, fine hair, I'm a twin brother, fine hair, lots and lots of it. Dad, coarse hair, but density not so much, but coarse hair, but lots of it. So it's strange. But me, I had to go one step further. Stress had to be a thing for me, where if I get stressed, it falls out and it gets even thinner. So I am always on the lookout for products which boost density, boost volume, and when my hair falls, I can know and grab products which are going to help me and basically keep fine hair, problem hair at bay. So for me, a really, really great product. So it helps hair texture, which is really soft and silky and really, really downy. A little bit more of an information. Nan had fine hair, but lots of it, very silky and glossy, but tons of volume. Mum, exactly the same. Me, mine goes frizzy and puffy, not silky and glossy, which I would have loved to have had, like Mum and Nan. My dad, again, puffy and almost light to the point of being frizzy. So yeah, that's what I got. But I got the fine side of it, and I've probably got the finer texture hair in the family, to be quite honest with you. But I'm not complaining, I've still got a lot of hair. But it's knowing the right products will work for you, and this works for me. So if you're sat there thinking, Bradley's mentioned a couple of things of what I've got there. If you've got frizzy hair, if you've got fine hair, if you've got hair what just doesn't behave, this helps it behave. This helps uniform hair. It helps put fine hair into a place, into a style, and it holds it. It gives life and vitality. And I really like this, as well as growth properties. So it's a product which I would sing about, shout about, and really, really praise it, because it is a product which is absolutely amazing. As I say, I am somebody who will shout for an amazing product, but I will also tell you if the product doesn't work at all. Now, I know there's a mixture of reviews for hairification out there. However, I do wonder about the actual person's hair type first of all. Remember, hairification is for finer hair types. So that doesn't necessarily mean that you've got very little hair on your scalp, okay? Fine hair doesn't mean you're losing it. It just means the diameter, that density of the actual hair, okay? Now, I probably shouldn't have said density there, but the actual thickness of the hair strand itself. If that is fine, okay, that doesn't mean that you're losing hair. It just means that the good Lord above gave you fine textured hair. You could have lots and lots and lots of it. You could have a lower density. You could have thin hair and fine hair, okay? Doesn't mean to say you're losing it. It's just what the good Lord gave you. Now, if you've got thinning hair, okay, and fine hair, it means that the hair itself is very fine, okay, not very fine, but fine, okay, but low in density, and you're losing that density slowly over time. But remember, my friends, there's so many things you can do. For example, this product really has really great actives in here for boosting your hair growth, boosting your vitality of your hair, and helping a healthier hair growth cycle and helping you achieve a great density and fuller, thicker feeling hair. This product I absolutely love, wholeheartedly do. I've just noticed it's white. You can't necessarily see it with the camera light. I will sort that. I will make sure that I actually took a picture, which I'm going to put on the front of this clip earlier on in the day, but it's been such a busy day, I haven't been able to get round to the clip. That's why it's now night time. However, I took the picture earlier on in the day, so I'll make sure that you can see the product. But of course, hopefully with the title and the name as well, you'll be able to do your own research and find that it is hairification, so really great. Please, please, please do your own research, and I wholeheartedly recommend this one. And by the way, if you do have any queries or questions for me, please leave them down below. I will always, always, always come back to you. So it's a hairification Pure Grow Leave-In Growth Intensifying Spray, and it is a really great product. On that note, my friend, we're up to nearly 14 minutes. I try to keep this a little bit shorter now, but thanks very much for joining me. And as I say, the Hairification range, the serum and the Intensifying Growth Spray, absolutely amazing. The shampoo and conditioner is great, but my favourites is the serum and the growth spray. So on that note, really recommend them. Thanks very much for being here, and I look forward to you joining me again real soon. God bless, take great care, and thank you. Bye now.